Sales is super easy. You don't have to make it hard. What is going on, everybody? Sam with Troops Mowing. I just got off of a sales call and I recorded it and I wanted to share it with you guys, ultimately to remind you that the people that have reached out to you are already interested and want your services. You just have to call them. You have to put a voice to the company and you have to just make them smile as much as you can on the phone, and the job is yours. You do not have to complicate sales. Get them on the phone, go over the estimate, overcome any objections if they come up, and get the deal on the books. Let's go. Hey, is this David?
Yes.
Hey, David, this is Sam with Troops Mowing. How are you?
Who are you with?
My company is Troops Mowing. You had us send over a lawn care estimate.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Yes. I'm in the middle of work right now. I'm sorry. 1 second.
I'm sorry. I'm the one interrupting.
No. You're fine. Just give me a second. Let me deal with this customer real quick. Yeah, I just need my lawn mowed.
Cool. Well, I know a guy.
I know a guy too, and I'm also an Army veteran, so that's why I called you guys.
Let's go. Perfect. Well, if you have a quick moment, I'll go over this estimate with you. Go ahead. Sounds like you're busy, so I'll value your time and we'll get everything up and rolling here. We have you at our minimum pricing for bi-weekly services. We use commercial grade equipment. We make tall grass short. We're the best at it. And then I also sent you an optional line item for weed control and fertilizer if you're trying to make your neighbors jealous.
Yeah, my landlord handles that. He's got the weed guy doing that.
Okay, sounds good. So we don't want to make the neighbors jealous, but we want to keep the HOA offer back, and we can certainly do that for you. So we have you at 54 per cut plus sales tax, and that's once every 2 weeks. And we can try to get you in before July 4th, but we would probably need to get that accepted today to make that a possibility.
Yeah. What do you need from me?
So basically, I would just need to accept this on your behalf, which I'll do right now, and then I will get your card number, and we'll, all of our customers have a card on file. We will charge that card after each service. And
54 every 2 weeks?
54 per cut plus sales tax every 2 weeks, and then we do credit processing fees on top of that. So if my public education can do me any justice right now, I'll see if I can get you down to the penny. I think that's like just north of $60 and some change.
Perfect. I'm happy with that.
Sounds good. I will get your card information right now whenever you're ready. I'm ready.